So today we're going to discuss our backlog. We were asked this question by quite a few of you, but Craig, here's the response and here's what we're doing. So obviously our V1s are getting ready to roll out. They're currently in production right now. We're waiting for the parts to get back from the local machine shop that's doing our cutting and doing our machining. Once we get them, we'll start the cleaning process of the actual parts, the anodizing process, and the assembly, packaging, and shipping. So what we're going to be doing to kind of address our old customers that have been waiting, and then our new customers that they go to our website and purchase today, tomorrow, so on and so forth, is obviously there's no way that we can prevent furthering the delays if we don't also simultaneously try to get to the new customers as soon as possible too. We don't want to keep piling on to the already hole or jumping in the hole that we've already dug, that we're trying to get ourselves out of. So we're going to be prioritizing previous customers that have been waiting, that have ordered, fitting in new customers that don't necessarily pay for the expedited process that's now an option on the new site, but more so just to prevent the inevitable from happening, as if they pay for a 35 to 60 day installation, and if they only end up waiting for a week or two because we're already in your area because we're there for a customer that's been waiting for months and months, then you're welcome, I guess. So that's basically our plan of attack, is to obviously cater to the customers that have been waiting the longest, and then fitting in and throwing in nearby installs that are new. So out of the 200 kits that we're getting, 50% of them are going to be reserved for old customers, 50% are going to be reserved for new customers. So we can still honor and still keep and still basically start and rebuild everything that we've not necessarily lost, but rebuild where we've had some issues come up, obviously, in the delays. Delays were my fault, in a combination with obviously unforeseen issues with the manufacturing facility. And when I say manufacturing facility, I just mean the local machine shop, because our facility is not set up yet. There's a power issue and so on and so forth with 3-phase. So the slight issues on our in-house production. So we're just using a local machine shop to do all of our 2D cutting and our 3D machining of the parts for our V1 series kit. Once they're done, which we should get them any week now, we will take them, prep them, etch them, dip them, anodize them, assemble them, package them, and then ship them, and then obviously install them, focusing on the customers that have been waiting the longest while simultaneously adding in as many new customers as we can to kind of end the cycle of the delays. Obviously, the biggest delay from us previously was because of the initial separation of vertical doors, which that video is being edited. It's going to be a while. It's a pretty long video, so I apologize for that. But at the same time, I don't really apologize for it, because it's filled with a lot of information, and I really encourage you guys to watch the whole thing. I don't have a time limit on that, or I don't have an actual time of how long that video is, but I do know that I've checked in on that thing in the editing process, and it's, I think, good 20, 30 plus minutes or so. But it's a good video. There's a lot of information that kind of explains a lot of the problems that you'll see or you'll read about online, that we explain into detail, divulging a lot of information about the relationship between vertical doors and Eikon Motorsports. It's a good video. But it explains a lot. Anyways, that is our affiliate program, and we just can't wait to get these kits out. So until next time, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a good rest of your day. And I can't wait to see you guys.